Hello folks, this is Fanta BH. Tonight we talk about this little baby multimeter. It looks nice, compact, pretty nice design, silver color. I like this way, putting test leads from this side, not from the front. But it would be difficult on this instrument to put them on the front. I don't know for this company CZDANG name and name model of instrument in CZD 20D. Never heard for them, don't know who they are, and so everything is so small here, so I will try to keep instrument in this because my camera is above me. So I will try to keep it like this. This instrument still does not react on this. It first start measuring resistance, and with reach low resistance it will start beeping. Actually, I seen many other instruments working on same way, even some expensive models working on same way, so I can't claim it's bad. Resistance of probes is it's shown as 002, 001, let's say 0002 ohms. So we will calculate that in our measurement. So 01 ohms should be 03, between 02 and 03. Like you can see, very nice. 05 ohm should be 0607. It stays on, 0607. So you know my calculation, 1.1 to 1.2. Exactly like I said. Enough of calculation. 100k, 99.8. Actually, this 100k is 99.9. So it's good. 1 mega ohm.
1.003 million ohm.
Yeah, you are right. It talks all the time about what is measured. You cannot switch that off. It will talk all the time. It's not loud. It's pretty silent. Maybe you don't hear it. So 1 mega ohm, 10 mega ohm. I am satisfied with that. Low capacitance like 20 picofarad, it will not measure. That is the point. Fully automatic mode will never detect capacitance. With power button, short press on switching modes. You see millivolts, true RMS. Off, it can in diode mode, 2.7 volts. Very nice. You see, nanofarad. So 20 picofarads. It doesn't measure anything. 20 picofarad. Hello. This is okay. 330 nanofarad. It's okay, but 20 pico. Zoe tweezers, you have video about them. 20 picofarad. You see? Exactly. So it's working. That means that this instrument cannot go below. Let's see how it measures microfarads. Not fast, but it's not bad. 2023 microfarads, 2022. This is 220 microfarads, but all instruments except Zoe measuring it 222. I don't know why, but okay. What is bad regarding this instrument? It cannot measure current. It doesn't have current mode. So let me check. This is my project. You could see it now. This, I need power for this, and this is beautiful project I made. Okay, start please. It started. You see from, but it's accurate from 10 millivolts. Look at this. 10 millivolts, it shows 10.3. It's very accurate. Let's increase a bit. 20. Very accurate. You see how it reads as I changing it. Let's 100. I will call this accurate as well. And it somehow ran off at higher. You see, about 1 millivolt lower than it is. But this is acceptable for this kind of instrument, for this cheap instrument. I don't know who could need such small instrument without current measuring, but it measures temperature and it delivers. This is all what you get with it. And manual, of course. So USB-C for charging, it have a built-in LiPo battery, you seen it. And this is, it can be useful instrument. It's pocket size, but they calling it desktop. It's not, for me it's not desktop instrument, because desktop instrument should be seen from larger distance, and this is too small for that distance. Check my Zoe desktop instrument, it have a large display and large numbers on it, so it's just fine. But whatever they said for this instrument, it's working perfectly. So if you need it for 14 US dollars or euros, I don't know, euros, I paid it like 14 euros. Buy it on Temu, but I will leave link below. It's not affiliate link, but I'm quite sure you can, in that price range, get something much better. That is all what I wanted to say for this video, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you with next video.